Hello children, in this video I will show you that how you can create, run, save, open QBasic programs. For this you need a QBasic software to be installed in your computer. On the desktop you will double click on the QBasic icon and the following screen will appear. To remove this dialog box or to exit from it, you have to press the escape key from your keyboard and your screen will look like this. Now children, first of all, let me tell you all the components of this QBasic screen. So children, as you can see on the top of the window, there is a title bar, which means the name of the application or software is mentioned here. Next is menu bar. It will include all the options that will help you to run or execute and perform various operations on this software. For example, it includes file, edit, search, etc. And children, all these options that are present in menu bar includes sub-menus, which means some more options are there. For example, if I click on file option, I will get new, open, save, save as, etc. And then we have view window, in which we can write our programs like I'm writing. So suppose if I have to print any word or statement, I will use print command and within double quotes, I will write whatever I have to print. Suppose I have to print computer system, so I will enclose it within double quotes. Now I need to run or execute it. So either I can press F5 key from my keyboard or I can click on run option and then from there I can select start to execute the program. So as you can see the output screen. Now to exit from this screen, it is written it down, press any key to continue. So we will press any key from our keyboard to come back to our QBasic screen. Now children, suppose I want to save this file and you all know whatever work we are doing in computer, we have to save it. So I will click on file option and from there I will click on save as. In the following dialog box, I will type the name of the file and after writing the file name, I will put a dot and will write the extension as BAS and then we'll click on OK. So you can see that the file name is visible below menu bar. Children, make sure that always you have to save the QBasic file with an extension .bas. Now let's see how I can open my file again. So for that I will click on the file option and from there I will select open. Now I have to search for the file that I need to open. As you can see, here only one file is mentioned. But suppose there are 100 files, then how you are going to search? It will take a long time. So you can type the file name in the given box, file name, and then click on OK button. So after clicking on OK button, you will see that your first .bas file is opened. Now, if I will run this program by pressing F5 key from the keyboard, I will see that the following will be printed on my computer screen as follows. Coming back and then if again I press F5 key, I will get again computer system. Again back, again F5, then again computer system. So children, here you can see as many times I press F5, it will print the same statement. So to clear this output screen, I can type CLS, which means clear screen. Then if again I run this program, then I will get a blank screen because after printing, I have cleaned all my output area. So children, whenever you are writing any new QBasic program, it is always better to write CLS command in the first line so that your previous program's output is deleted from there. You don't get confused between both. Okay children, now again I am writing the print command and within double quotes I am writing computers for school. And then I will run the program by pressing F5 key or run option. I will see the following output as computers for school. Now to go back to the main screen, again I will press any key from my keyboard. Now children, suppose I have to exit this QBasic. For this, either I can click on the cross button that is on top right corner in red color, or I can click on File option and then select Exit from over there. Now it will ask me to save the file as I have not saved it. So children, if you want to save it, you can click on Save option, or if you don't want to save it, you can click on No option and exit from QBasic. Now children, let us take an example that is given in your book at page number 67. In this example, we will make use of print command to print Computers for School series, volume 1, volume 2, volume 3 and so on. So for this, I will write the print command as follows. Now after completing, I have to run this program. I will press F5 key and will see the following output on output screen. And to go back to my QBasic screen, I have to press any key from the keyboard so that I can come back to my programming window. Now children, let us see one more example that is given in illustration. Here we have to print BASIC stands for Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. To do so, we will type the following commands. So children, as I told, first of all, we will type CLS to clear the output screen. After typing CLS, I will start writing my print command. Print, double quotes, basic, double quotes closed, enter, print, and like this I will write all my statements. Now, after completing this program, I need to save it. So I will click on File option and from over there I will select Save as option. So I will save this file as file.bas and will click on OK button. Now children, to run this program, I will click Run option from menu bar or will press F5 key from the keyboard. To see the following output as BASIC stands for Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. And then to continue, I will press any key from the keyboard. So children, I hope you all are clear with the topics that I have taught in this video. So those who have laptops or computers at their home, they will download the software. It is a freeware software. It will not cost you anything. You can download this version 4.5 QBasic and then install it in your computer and perform the following programs that are given in your book. And if you have any doubt regarding these, you can ask me anytime. Read the chapter, understand it well, and do the practice of the programs. Okay children, till then, take care. Bye.